Before we get started on the question, let's warm up. Let's look at how we link months and years. How many years is 24 months? That's 24 divided by 12 equals 2 years. So let's go for 36. How many years are there in 36 months? Well, that's 36 divided by 12. Well, that gives me 3 years. So in general, to link months and years together, what we do, the number of months divided by 12 is going to be equal to the number of years. The number of months divided by 12 equals the number of years. That can also be written as this. Number of months divided by 12 equals the number of years. Okay, the question says, Abdul invested $240 when the rate of simple interest was R% per year. After M months, the interest was I dollars. Write down and simplify an expression for I in terms of M and R. Okay, I have straight away have circled key information. Key information being the amount of money, $240. And it's told you in the question it's simple interest. It's not compound interest, it's simple interest. The percentage per year is R%. And the very, very key important part is this. After M months, the interest was I dollars. So we're dealing with a situation where it's M months, not years, M months. Write down and simplify an expression for I in terms of M and R. So I have written down the formula for simple interest. Bearing in mind the question said simple interest, straight away I write down the formula. The formula is simple interest equals the amount of money times the percentage per year times the number of years invested divided by 100. Okay. So what we need to do now is put the information into our formula. So simple interest, well, let's have a look. So after M, the interest was I dollars. So I write down, instead of simple interest, I'm going to write I. And this is going to be equal to what? The amount of money that we invested. Invested was $240 times the percentage per year. The percentage per year was R% times the number of years invested. Okay, we've been told M months. We haven't been told how long it has been invested in years. We've been given it in M months. So I need to change months into years. Do you remember in our warm-up we worked out the link between months and years is M divided by 12 equals years. So instead of writing M, I'm going to write M divided by 12 times M divided by 12. So I've now changed the situation from months into years. Okay, and we need to divide it by 100. Now, let's simplify this. So, let's first of all look at the top line, look at the numerator. Pretend that 100 is not there. So, 240 divided by 12 is what? Well, 240 divided by 12 is 20. So I can cross that. What am I left with? R times M. So 20 RM. And then, remember that 100 divided by 100. So I equals 20 divided by 100 is 0.2 RM. That's a 0.2. And we've solved it. We have now got a situation where we have got, in fact, we've got an equation that links I, the amount of interest, with M and R.